What's up, you guys? So the last video I did, I was telling you guys about the chase-based parts that haven't arrived, and the funny thing is, right after I made that video, the next day I received a notification about my parts are being shipped out for delivery. And so this video, I'm gonna run through everything I bought for the Z from Chase Bays, and just to give you guys a lowdown, go through and check to see what all I got. Alright, first box we're gonna open is this one. And some of these boxes are already open. I had to check to see if it was damaged or anything like that. So let's see. Ooh. Hell yeah. This is the clutch cylinder we have right here. Looks damn good. So when I bought it, you have this thing of buying just the cylinder by itself, or you can get it with the reservoir. This thing is legit. Look at that quality. Damn. So yeah, I opted to get the reservoir and the cylinder. If you was just to get the cylinder, I'm pretty sure, like, I don't know their setup if it was to go into another port or something like that, but yeah, man, this thing is nice. And another bracket. Put it back in the bag. But yeah, man, look at that quality. Shit. Hell yeah, Chase Bays. That has some very nice quality right there. And what is this? Oh shit. And this is the hose, the clutch hose. Nice. I think it's okay, I think this one, it's gonna tap into the it's not the clutch line, it's gonna tap into the master brake cylinder and goes into that one, so that way they're sharing, both of them are sharing the same liquid. So that's pretty good. Come with stickers and a card to get in contact with their sales reps in case you need any help with anything. So that's awesome. Alright. And the next one, even though I opened these, I can't really remember which box has what. Oh, hell yeah. This is the master brake cylinder. Well, it'd be better if I open it if you guys could see it. So this is the brake booster delete master kit. It does have the proportioning valve right here to put more pressure to the brakes in the rear or less. And yeah, man, this thing is fucking quality, man. And I was doing some research on it. I will have to take this part off, the black part off, and mock the gray. I'll pretty much mock it up to the firewall. Trim a little bit of the firewall out, not too much, in order for this to sit right, but hell yeah. This thing is cool. I like it, man. Yeah. That thing is fucking nice. And we have some lines. So this is the brake line relocation for dual piston brake booster delete. So that's the brake booster delete. Damn, so nice. So these are going to, this one's going to repair. This one's going to replace all the lines that are on the chassis that goes to the front calipers. So it's going to replace this one, this hard line right up there that goes all the way up to the brake master cylinder. And we have some hydro brake lines. Ooh. This is fucking nice. Hell yeah. Yep, hydro handbrake line kit. Yeah. So I think this was the one, this is the one box I was really waiting on. I already had the other ones. And this one is, what is this? Okay, this one is the linkage that goes to the pedal on the brake. Or is it the clutch? I think it goes to the, yeah, it goes to the brake pedal. This one, extra linkage to replace the other one, the old one. Fucking nice. I remember what this one is. Ooh, shit. So I made a mistake when I ordered this one. I was wanting the one that the standard size or standard fit one, the one that goes up, that, well, the one that is mounted like this and you pull on like that. But I ordered the, I thought it was this one was the reverse, but it's actually the standard one, I guess, because I checked the website and it did say reverse for the ones that are mounted that way, I guess.